Hello students, welcome to the YouTube channel Gyan Manjari Modern School Shior. Students, tomorrow that is on 17th date, you are having a science examination. Okay, chapters are given here, you can see. Today we will do one of the experiment we will learn. Okay, let us see paper style also. Which chapters are going to come? That is the chapter number 7, 9, 12, 13, 15, 17 and 18. These are the chapters that are going to come. Okay, tomorrow. Let us see the paper style, students. We have already discussed in the classroom and hard copy is also given to you. Then also let us see it. Question 1 will be MCQ and that will be of 10 marks. MCQ means a multiple choice question. Options will be given to you. From that one you have to select. Means one of the option will be the answer. Okay, 4 options will be given to you. Multiple choice question, that is of 10 marks. Question 2 is the definition. Okay, definitions. Any 4 you have to write, and out of 6, and it will be of 4 marks. Okay, 6 definition will be given to you. Any 4 you have to write. Definitions means at the end of the chapter keywords are given, so that are nothing but a definition. From that it will be asked. Okay, any 4 you have to write. If you want to write 6, then also it is okay. Okay, it is totally fine. But 4 marks will be given to you. Okay, next question is name the following. And it is of 5 marks. Name the following is a kind of one word only, you can say. Name the following. One question will be given to you. You have to name the question. What is the question about? Okay, that will be of 5 marks. Next question is question 4. Give 2 examples of each of the following questions. So one question will be given to you. For that question 2 examples you have to write. Okay, whatever the questions are given to you, for that you have to write the 2 examples of that particular question. So it will be of 5 marks. Okay. Next is question 5. True or false. It will be of 8 marks. True or false will be of 8 marks. Then question 6, fill in the blanks. It will be of 5 marks. Fill in the blanks, and in fill in the blanks options will be given to you. Okay, 2 options will be given to you. Out of that, 1 will be the answer. 5 marks. Question 7 is the classify the following. Okay, classify the following, 5 marks. Then question 8 is match the following. MF, match the following. It will be of 10 marks. Then question 9 is answer in short. Answer in short. 2 marks each. Means one question will be of 2 marks in answer in short, and total marks will be 10 marks. 5 questions will be given to you. One question will be of 2 marks, total 10 marks. Okay, it is answer in short. Next question is answer in detail. Okay, long answers. So answer in detail will be of 4 marks. each. One question will be of 4 marks. Each question, one question will be of 4 marks. You have to write any two question out of 3. 3 questions will be given to you, and out of 3 you have to write 2 questions. Okay, and each question will carry 4 marks. So total 4 to the 8 marks. Answer in detail. Question 11 is experiment. One of the experiment we are discussing now. Okay, experiment. Any two experiment you have to write. 3 will be given to you. Any two experiment out of 3, and it will be of 10 marks. Okay, one experiment will be of 5 marks, total 10 marks. 5 marks each. Okay, one of the experiment just now we are discussing. If you want to note, you can note it down, but I think we are having the paper style. Wait a minute, students. Okay, students, let us discuss one of the experiment, page number 117. Open, students, page 117. Okay, aim will be given to you in the examination. Aim. So page number 117, aim to show that okay, the aim of the activity, the aim of the experiment is that we have to prove that stomata is needed by the plants to respire. For respiration inside the plant, stomata is very essential. Okay, that we have to prove. That without stomata, plants cannot respire. Now students, what is stomata first of all? So stomata are a tiny pores that are present on the surface of the leaf. Okay, tiny pores are there, tiny holes are there on the surface of the leaf that are nothing but a stomata. Okay students, this is the stomata pore. Now you will ask me, ma'am, what is the function of stomata? Once again I am repeating, what is the stomata? Stomata are tiny pores, minute pores, little pores that are present on surface of leaves. Okay, these are the stomata I have drawn here, and your textbook, in your textbook also it is given, figure is given to you. You can see here, page number 117. Okay, you can see here. This stomata is open and this is a closed stomata. Okay, tiny pores present on the surface. On the underside also you can say. Okay, it is a stomata. Now students, you will ask me, ma'am, what is the function of stomata? So students, exchange of gases, that is carbon dioxide, oxygen, carbon dioxide, exchange of gases takes place through this stomata pore. Whatever the gases are to be exchanged are exchanged via stomata pore. Okay, during exchange of gases, the stomata gets open, it gets closed also sometimes. Now students, this opening and closing of stomata is regulated by guard cell. What is the function of guard cell? Stomata is surrounded by two guard cells. What is the function of guard cell? Guard cell will control the opening and closing of stomata. Okay, guard cell. ठीक है, गार्ड का मतलब आपको पता है, गार्ड यानी चौकीदार के जैसा काम करेगा। यहाँ पे वो ओपन करेगा, क्लोज करेगा स्टोमाटा को। वो कौन करता है? गार्ड सेल्स। ओके, ओपनिंग एंड क्लोजिंग ऑफ स्टोमाटा is done by this guard cells. So whenever this stomata need necessary gas, suppose I tell you carbon dioxide is required for the stomata, at that time stomata will get opened. Okay, and again if it does not require anything, at that time the stomata will be closed. So in short, exchange of gases is done through this stomata, and stomata is surrounded by a guard cell. And guard cell, what is the function of guard cell? Opening and closing of the stomata is done by this guard cell. So this was all about the stomata. Now let us focus on the activity. Once again I am telling you, inside the leaves there are tiny pores. The tiny pores are nothing but the stomata. Next thing, stomata are surrounded by guard cell, kidney shaped guard cells. Okay, now what is the function of stomata? Exchange of gases, water, everything is done because via stomata. Stomata में से ही exchange होगा. Okay, जो भी चीजें हैं. अभी guard cell का क्या काम है? What is the function of guard cell? The function of guard cell is to open and close the stomata. Opening and closing of stomata is controlled, is regulated by these guard cells. Okay, I hope it is clear to you, students. Now let us move to the activity. Now students, what is the aim? Stomata is needed. Without stomata, respiration can't occur. So that is true, because you know the exchange of gases occurs because of stomata only. So without stomata, how can plant respire? Respiration is not possible. That is very true. But we have to prove here with the help of one example, one activity. Okay, let us see what materials are needed. So materials needed here are petroleum jelly, leafy plant, any leafy plant, that is a rose or hibiscus plant. Okay, this thing you require for doing this experiment. What you require? You require petroleum jelly. Then another thing you require is any leafy plant. For example, rose plant also will work, or hibiscus plant. From both of the following you can take any one, or you can take any other of the plant. Okay. So either rose also you can take, it is easily available. Okay, and hibiscus you can take. So these two things you require. Now let us move towards the method. What you have to perform in this activity, in this experiment. So pay attention in your notebook. I am reading here. Keep the plant in the dark for a few days. Coat the underside of 2 leaves with petroleum jelly. Place the plant on a sunny window sill for a week and observe. First of all, first thing is keep the plant, whichever plant you are taking, keep the plant okay, whichever plant you are taking. Suppose I have taken rose plant. For example, I have taken rose plant. So keep this rose plant in dark for 2 days. Dark means you have to keep in such a area where sunlight does not come. Out of sunlight, the area which is out of reach of the sunlight, dark room. Okay, dark area you have to keep. You have to keep at such an area where it is a dark, no sunlight can reach. So for 2 days you have to keep the rose plant. Suppose I have taken the rose plant. Second thing, what you will do? Second is coat the underside of 2 leaves. 2 leaves from inside, lower part, you have to cover it with the petroleum jelly. You have to apply the petroleum jelly any of the 2 leaves. 2 leaves पे आपको क्या लगाना है? उस plant के 2 leaves पे, कोई भी 2 leaves पे आपको अंडर साइड पार्ट पे पेट्रोलियम जेली लगाना है, अप्लाई करना है. यू हैव टू अप्लाई पेट्रोलियम जेली any of the 2 leaves of the plant. Okay. Third thing, place the plant now this plant you have to place it on a sunny window for a week or above. More than week also you can place. So once again I am repeating, any of the plant you take, leafy plant should be. Suppose I have taken here rose plant, you can take a hibiscus plant also. First step, keep that rose plant in dark area, means the area which is out of reach of sunlight. There is no sunlight in that area. So in that area you have to keep the rose plant. For how many days? 2 days you will keep. Second thing, you have to apply petroleum jelly on the underside of the 2 leaves, any of the 2 leaves of the plant. ठीक है, 2 leaves पे आपको petroleum jelly apply करना है. Third thing, what you will do? you have to place the plant on a sunny window. Sunny window means the window where sunlight comes, that is a sunny window. Okay, so you might be having one of the window in your home where there is a sunlight, okay, which is in the reach of sunlight. So place there, this plant you have to place there on the sunny window for a week. Now what you will observe? Observation. So the two leaves that are coated with petroleum jelly begin to die while others continue to grow. This is because the underside of the leaves, which contains stomata, is covered with petroleum jelly. Thus there is no way for air to come. Now what will happen students? जिन भी दो लीव्स में आपने पेट्रोलियम जेली अप्लाई की थी, दो लीव्स में आपने पेट्रोलियम जेली लगाया था, वो लीव्स जो होंगे डाई हो जाएंगे, गिर जाएंगे, ठीक है, उसका कलर चेंज हो जाएगा, डाई हो जाएगा, वो इट विल डाई. वाई? बिकॉज आपने लीव्स के अंडर साइड में क्या अप्लाई किया है? पेट्रोलियम जेली. और लीव्स के अंडर साइड में ही क्या होता है? स्टोमाटा. Students, on the underside of the leaves only there is a stomata, and on the stomata only you have applied jelly, petroleum jelly. So how exchange of gas will take place? Stomata are totally closed. क्यों वो क्लोज हो गए स्टोमाटा? क्योंकि आपने पेट्रोलियम जेली अप्लाई की है, तो एक्सचेंज ऑफ गैस कैसे होगा? एयर कैसे आ सकेगी अंदर स्टोमाटा के अंदर? इसीलिए वो जो लीव्स होंगे, दैट लीव्स विल डाई. ओके, बिकॉज on the underside there is a this thing stomata, and on that you have applied petroleum jelly. Okay, now rest of the leaves will grow because you have not applied petroleum jelly on the rest of the leaves. So exchange of gas is sufficiently takes place. Okay, so that is the conclusion here. What is the conclusion? To show that stomata is required by plant to respiration. Here we have clearly seen two leaves were covered with the petroleum jelly. Respiration was not able to take place. The leaves which were covered with the petroleum jelly, that leaves were not able to do exchange of gases. They were not able to respire. So that's why stomata are required for respiration. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. Students, this whole things you have to write in the examination, then only you will get the marks. Aim, which are the material needed for this thing experiment, then method also you have to write, then what you have observed means observation, and next is the conclusion. Okay, this whole things you will write, then and only then you will get full marks. 5 marks, one question, one experiment is of 5 marks, then only you will get 5 marks. Okay, I hope the experiment is clear to you. Okay students, best of luck for the examination. Bye.